Yeah. Look.
What's up? Look. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel.
If you don't do anything and start moving your feet, then the past is doomed to repeat. Sat in your seat, watching your life go by without the movie or screen. Trapped in a cycle, hating you're lost. If you could see what you're capable of, what would you do? You would scream, huh? What would you do? You would scream. Cause most of us found confused and we're lost. Spent most of our time taking bruises and lost. Don't know what to do like we're needing a boss, or needing instructions, the feeding is off. Failing to find any meaning of God, so I say let's define our meaning ourselves. Yo, look deep in yourself, what path do you see? What man should you be? Awaken the beast. Don't let the fear start taking your peace. Defeat the things that are keeping you pissed. Trust me G, there's meaning in this. Defeat the things that are keeping you pissed. Trust me G, there's meaning in this. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel. Sleeping, losing my mindset. That's why this human is quite vexed. Working, use my biceps until I am quite wrecked. Using every ounce left of my strength, cause I'm sick of moving so lifeless. Said I'm sick of moving so lifeless. Yo, man that are not free don't know that they're trapped up living in the past. More complex than the shit in your math book. Yeah, it's a cursed world, but compared to the third road, yeah, we have an advantage still. Take every moment for granted, claim that it's not fair. Sorting away from I don't understand it. I'm fuming a mad kid, cause I'm sat here watching time go by. Getting consumed like a sandwich, man compliment me, but it's so backhanded.
Jealousy's everywhere, man, just chat shit.
I just keep my eye on the prize and practice truth of life. If I can't have this, can I at least get a hold of my soul? Be in control of my own life. Trust me, I wanna know life. Sprout wings like a bird, I just wanna soar high. When I call my own shots like a captain, wanna escape from this matrix that I'm trapped in. And it feels like, man, I've waited for ages and it's maddening. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel. Staring at the devil, I ain't hiding like I'm Jekyll. Got my foot up on the pedal, and I ain't stopping like a rebel.